For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
A total of 12 deaths have been reported from Hyderabad due to incessant rainfall during the last 24 hours. As many as 9 people, including a 2-month-old, were killed after a compound wall collapsed and fell on houses. In Telangana, at least 14 districts have been affected, with several areas in Hyderabad marooned due to waterlogging. In several areas, people were struggling to commute and vehicles were getting washed away in the flooded waters. Traffic was also severely affected in several parts of the city, and police personnel were deployed to manage the situation. Hyderabad Lok Sabha MP Asaduddin Owaisi took to Twitter and said that he was present at the site when the compound wall collapsed. #Hyderabad rains. I was at a spot inspection in Mohammadiyah Hills, Bandlagudda, where a private boundary wall fell, resulting in death of 9 people and injuring 2. On my way from there, I gave a lift to stranded bus passengers in Shamshabad. Now I am on my way to Talabkatta and Yasrabnagar. According to the India Meteorological Department, record heavy rains lashed the city as well as the rest of the state. Hayatnagar in Greater Hyderabad region received the highest rainfall of 29 centimeters, and 27 other locations recorded over 20 centimeters rainfall. The Hyderabad Center of India Meteorological Department said that the previous highest rainfall recorded in Hyderabad was 24 centimeters on August 24, 2000. Hyderabad Police Commissioner Anjani Kumar took to Twitter and asked people not to go near Musi River, as several people who had been there sustained injuries. I sincerely request citizens not to go near Musi out of curiosity. Few onlookers have sustained injuries. Please allow all government agencies to work for your safety and security. We are coordinating with NDRF and other service providers. Please follow all advisories. They are for your safety. Residents of several areas are being evacuated by the Disaster Response Force of the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation following massive inundation. The evacuees have been shifted to shelter homes that have been set up for the cause. Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation has said that they have received over 600 complaints regarding waterlogging and trees falling. Telangana has been receiving heavy rains due to depression created over the Bay of Bengal. 13 out of 17 gates of the Himayat Sagar Reservoir were opened as the inflow of water has increased. The India Meteorological Department has warned of heavy to very heavy rains on Wednesday as well.